Are you bored of oatmeal? We've all been there. Today I'm going to show you how I make my 5-minute go-to breakfast. Hard to believe this is oatmeal in disguise. It's quick and easy, nutritious, but most of all delicious. This recipe is just as fast as oatmeal, but way more satisfying. Keeps me full, keeps me happy. I don't know about you, but if I know I have a good breakfast waiting for me, I'm excited to start my day. I don't get this excited for oatmeal. I do get very excited for pancakes. Into your food processor, add 2 sachets of instant oats, a teaspoon of baking powder. You also want to add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, that's 50 grams, and 1 egg. The egg, along with the yogurt and the oats, will keep you full and satisfied. Add some milk with some liquid sweetener of your choice. I usually like to opt for liquid stevia, but it's really up to you. Add some vanilla. Maybe not. And you want to pulse this until there's no more lumps. You want to break down those oats as best you can. This recipe has no flour, no gluten, so there's really no way you can overmix this batter. Halfway through mixing, I did decide to add some cinnamon. I do prefer the vanilla. I do think vanilla works better, but hey, I did not have it. If you're new to my channel, hello there. Welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. I post new videos every week. Scrape the bottom and the sides of your blender, and believe it or not, this is ready. Now I'm going to transfer my batter into a piping bag. Do you need a piping bag? Of course you don't, okay? I'm just a freak. I like to use it. It's just faster, easier. If you are going to use a piping bag, just make sure you cut the smallest opening possible. That way you have more control and you'll really be able to shape these as you make these. Now, a question you always ask me is how I get such even browning on my pancakes. You want to make sure your pan is nice and hot, but once you add the batter, you want to lower that flame. So hot pan, but low flame. And the last trick, but probably the most important, is to use a good quality nonstick pan. I love this pan. It's a great investment. Unfortunately, I'm not able to tell you the brand because I don't know what the brand is, okay? But honestly, any good nonstick pan works. Cook the pancakes on each side for about a minute and a half. And you know how to make pancakes, guys. Come on, I don't have to tell you, okay? Now, can you believe these are oatmeal pancakes? These look like regular pancakes to me. I am telling you, these are amazing. Very different than other oatmeal pancakes. These are the queen bees of, oatmeal pancakes. Now I'm going to serve these 2 ways. The traditional way with good old maple syrup, can go wrong with that, but I also wanted to show you how I personally eat these on a day-to-day basis. I usually like to serve mine with some Greek yogurt on the side. Greek yogurt can be quite acidic, so I do like to sweeten it up with some liquid stevia. Mixing it up also creates this amazing smooth texture. Oh my goodness, it's like eating whipped cream with pancakes. Gotta try it. I like to add some fruit on the side and some nuts. By the way, my breakfast never looks like this, okay? This is such a great breakfast. It's delicious, which for me is important. I have to enjoy and look forward to my breakfast. If you are bored of oatmeal or you just want something a little bit more comforting, definitely try these. Now, I would be lying to you if I said that these taste exactly like regular pancakes. However, considering these are oatmeal pancakes, these are really delicious.